Hello and welcome, I'm Colcopters. Today we're going to review the Junkers Ju-18 aircraft. This is a radio controlled aircraft. Very highly detailed aircraft. Look at that. All works perfectly. It's a really nice flyer. Push this motor, and if you look inside you can see servos are there. All it needs now for it to fly is a battery and a controller and a couple of crystals that match, and away you go. Nice and light, balsable construction. We always had an open cockpit. This was like the first passenger plane, well, I believe anyway, it actually did proper flights, if you like, with an enclosed cockpit. To show you the size of the scale of the aircraft, got a can of pop there, so you can see it's quite a decent size. A nice big undercarriage. The aircraft's covered in solar film. So this is the Junkers Ju-18. Just going to zoom right out here. It's done in the Swiss library. It was like the beginning of World War II. Nice looking aircraft. Look at the detail on it. I'm trying to get as close as I can for you. Some seats in there. It's where the pilots sit. They were sat, and they were exposed to the elements. All they had was a little windshield. That's actually how they were. Passengers had the comfort, sat in the back. Look at the rivets. You can even see the rivets on the door around the window edge. Tail. As we're pulling along, it's like that corrugated effect. Obviously it's not corrugated, but the actual plane was corrugated for strength. And that's what these lines represent. Let's go around to the other side. That, see? Anyway, thanks for watching. That was the Junkers Ju-18. And I'm Colcopters, signing off.